Hello guys and welcome. Today is the day and this is a new snap building release for you guys finally. And today with me joining there are Chris and another Chris both from Netherlands. Hey guys.
Yeah.
Hey man.
And we'll be building a demonstration base for you guys. Alright, so the guys will start with some metal floors down there and just basically build a base from the land on the water, just to demonstrate that the bases can be built both on the land and the water, so the script fully supports that as well. As you can see, like normally, he's building it like normally, like default Epoch building system, so that is still included. We're not replacing anything, we're merely just extending the build system a little bit further down. Right, so the first thing I want to demonstrate was the wooden shed. With the new building system, you can press the F button to place the objects down on the ground, and you can rotate them 45 degrees. You can go up and down by 10 centimeters, or if you hold control, it can go down, up and down, and by 1 centimeter. Or if you hold Alt, page up, page down, it goes up and down by 1 meter. This is actually default in Epoch. This is nothing new really. But what I want to demonstrate is the ability to drop and pick up objects, as I just did here with this little nice wooden shed. Right, now this wooden shed does not have any snap points for it, so that's why you couldn't see anything happening. But you can actually attach snap points to it. It's very easy. I might actually do another video on showing how to do the snap points. Right, for the next part I want to demonstrate something else. It is how you can snap different objects to different objects. Like normally traditional snapping system would only let you snap floors to floors, walls to walls, for example, and it would be only limited to metal floors, snapping to metal floors, wooden floors to wooden floors, and all that good stuff. But with this snap system, you can actually snap any object you want, literally. You can even build your own snap points and snap them to a, I don't know, some vehicle or some house in the building, doesn't matter. So in here I am demonstrating an automatic snapping. It automatically finds the closest spot to it and it snaps to it. And the way it snaps is you press F and it'll drop down the object and it'll snap it. And you can pick it up with the F again. Or this is automatic snap, by the way. Or you can press this menu here and you go into a manual snapping, which lets you actually choose one of these points you want. So let's choose the top point, and let's snap it. There should be a point up there. Let's snap it to that point. So let's pick it up a little bit, a little bit closer. There you go. Now it's snapped to the wall there. And let's build it. As you noticed also, there is a small tutorial ongoing on the right hand side of the screen, which actually shows you each one of the steps to accomplish this magic. It's for the players. You can also remove it, of course. There'll be the option for it as well. Right, let's see what's next. Let's build these stairs. I just want to show you how different stairs can snap to each other as well. So auto snap on. Let's choose a different snap point. I think that was the back. Yep. And let's bring it closer. As you can see, as I brought it closer, a snap point lit up in green. That means those 2 points will snap. The same example here. If I press F, it'll now snap there. The wall. Or as you can see, if I move around, since we are doing manual snapping points, only that snap point will snap, the closest snap points. So on here, we're just snapping it to a wooden ladder beside it. Oh, that's a decent there. He sent that wooden wall flying there. Let's see. Right, let's build some. Let me actually show you the manual snapping a little bit closer. So we enable snapping. As you see, as I enable snapping, a lot of these little points have been generated, and they are generated on the items that are whitelisted in a config file. You can also whitelist any object you want to any object you want. And the way you do it is you're just inheriting the base class or whatever class that has the whitelist array. So anyway, for the manual one, again we go in the manual, and let's select the top one. As you can see, the top one is lit now, and the left one, and the right one, etc., etc. And as soon as we drop it down, it just snaps to the nearest point. So as you can see, again, it is not limited by the object. It is not limited at all by anything, really. The way it works is, the way system works is quite simple. It just snaps to the points. So it doesn't matter what kind of object you're holding. And as you might have also noticed that the little blue balls, as the guys are building stuff, I can't see their balls. It's because they're created locally, so that's that. So as I start building something, for example, this large wooden wall, and I enable snapping, the points are generated, but they can't see them. Only I can see it. So, and once it's snapped, again, you can also, of course, rotate, choose the different point. Let's say the left one, go from there, rotate it, and you can choose, again, you can choose the right point and rotate from there again. All that magic stuff. And you can, of course, go page up, page down, as you please, and you can pick it up again. Right, for the final thing, I'm going to show you an object that it can only snap to itself, which is actually intended, but of course, again, you can whitelist these stuff and they will be snapping to other items because it is just snap point based, it's not object based. But I did not add these items because they wouldn't make sense. Like for example, the wire fencing kit, it wouldn't make sense to snap it to one of these walls, would it? So you normally only snap wire fencing to a wire fencing. As you might have noticed, probably, like normally, this is how it works. You have to look left, right. You kind of have to figure out the distance and from the object. You can't really see anything much in front of you, especially when you're building wooden sheds like that. So now you can just simply drop the object, go the other way around, and check out if the object is being placed the way you like it. Oops, that was 10 meters. Let's see, we want it here along the shore nicely. Okay. And let's snap another wire just beside it. So again, let's go in the automatically finds the point as well, but sometimes it's kind of dodgy because there is so many points around, it can't really find the proper point, so sometimes it makes sense for you to go. I think that was the front one. It would make sense for you to use manual snapping instead. So, as you can see, it's pretty seamless. The back point. Yeah. There we go. And let's choose the top point. Oh wait, let's choose the pivot and snap it to the top point there. Go up a bit, and boom. Now it's snapped on top of it. And you can also adjust the height a bit. And of course, this is just, you know, like a demonstration. Of course, obviously you wouldn't be snapping wire fencing like that. Snapping like this would make more sense. See how simple that is and how fast. Super awesome. Oh, look at that. Jesus, the guys are doing a really good job there. Having tons of fun. See all these objects, like all different kinds of objects, you know, you don't have to look for if you're placing your ceiling or roof properly anymore. It's gonna be snapping correctly. The problem why there's a gap here, of course, there's nothing we can do much about it, but it's because the way these objects were modeled. And I believe Squisha he said that he just made them by without measurement, really. So that's why, you know, you'll still have these gaps. There's not much we can do about this, but it doesn't matter. You can still snap the stuff together. That's all that counts, right? Hello.
Hey man,
How you doing?
how do you like the base, man?
Nice one.
Actually gonna stay here.
So how do you guys feel about this whole snapping? Is it gonna work?
Yeah, it is. It's really easy to use.
Yeah. Actually easier than the polar snap.
So there you go, guys. That was not biased opinion. That was actually their opinion. I did not ask them to say that. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching, and I really hope you're gonna enjoy this new script I made for you guys. See ya. Hello YouTube. Today is the day, and finally I am releasing my new snap building system. And
Must make the video with bloopers. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, let's take it serious now. Okay.
okay.
Okay, sorry man, sorry.
I'm gonna mute my microphone 1 second.
Up yours, wait, up yours.
Oh yeah.
Chris can't do it.
Oh, man.
Ah.